So we arrived at our meeting place at Jollibee Malaybalay at 2:30 a.m. and started traveling to Impasugong Communal Ranch at 3 a.m. to start the trek at 4 a.m. Actually guys, we started very late than our usual schedule kasi nakikita na namin yung ibang mga trekkers is papunta ng summit at nasa balsa pa rin kami. Pero blessing in disguise na rin siya kasi naiwasan namin yung traffic at saka kami-kami na lang yung nasa trails. And your girl is now very happy kasi nakakatakbo na siya sa trails kasi wala na masyadong tao. So here we are, enjoying the trail and appreciating Mount Kitanglad at afar. So alam niyo na guys, major climb na yan. So you can wear shoes or sandals when climbing Mount Colago guys kasi hindi naman masyadong critical yung trails niya. So mostly ascent ang trails ng Mount Colago guys. So expect the unexpected talaga. So here we are guys at Tambuanan Ridge and ilang minuto na lang makikita na natin ang Mount Colago. And tada! Malapit na siya! So nasa reality check na tayo ng Mount Colago Summit guys. After 2 hours and 30 minutes, nakita na talaga namin yung Mount Colago. So when climbing Mount Colago guys, always prepare your mindset kasi kahit beginners friendly siya, masakit pa rin siya sa katawan. So meron palang canteen ng Mount Colago guys. So merong water doon tsaka pansit canton. So hindi na kami nag-camp dito guys kasi yung nakuha naming package is only day hike. And meron pa kaming side trips niyan. So here, pabalik na kami sa balsa guys. So naka-sleeveless ako. Always protect your skin. Always wear your sunscreen. So malapit na kami dito sa balsa guys and I would like to thank our organizer kasi nintay talaga kaming matapos kumain ng pansit canton sa campsite. Bukidnon is not new to me guys, pero look at that view. So, nandito kami sa Communal Ranch guys and I would like to thank our organizer. Thank you very much for taking care of us. See you on our next adventure. Bye!